Banks on edge as fast-rising loader scam takes root in Jamaica. Thousands of customers targeted. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Financial experts have issued a warning for customers of various financial institutions, especially banks, to be on the lookout for a fast-rising scam now being used by criminals to fleece members of the public of their hard-earned cash. The illegal scheme is known as loader scam. According to security experts, criminals will send direct messages to customers asking if they have a bank account. They will then tell you that they can load your account with money and split the money with you, the security official warned. Sometimes they'll ask for a deposit as collateral before loading your account. After you have been convinced, they will request your online banking username and password so that they can take the necessary steps to get the money into your account, the security official explained. Once the criminals get the customer's account information, they will then take out a loan online in the customer's name. The money will be in your account and they'll take all proceeds, including your deposit, and leave you with a loan to repay. Don't fall for fraud and don't let scammers trick you and take your information. Remember these tips to keep yourself safe and your money safe, security official warned. Banks have also shared some safety tips for customers to follow. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. Never share your PIN, your RSA token, and personal information to anyone, especially requesting it over phone or online. Report these accounts for fraud to the social media platform. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.